Alright, so this is the first time I've ever done this. I'm going to do alternating side swipes there, side circle swipes. And what I'm going to do it with is a lunging. So let's see what that looks like. So first I'm going to go, then so what you want to do is just get yourself where you're like out on a big field, a football field or something like that. So you've got a longer way to go. It feels great. And doing these substantial neurological challenges with your upper body while you're doing your lunging and keeping a good low lunge and keeping yourself balanced with it, the whole thing with all this movement and vibration that's happening up here, it's a really great whole body awakener. Have fun with it.